Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. My name is Arif Fatma from Department of BS Chemistry. My ID is 001, and here I am going to present the topic which is Hans-Dicker's reaction, in which we talk about its introduction, reaction, history, reaction mechanism, and its applications. So, what is Hans-Dicker reaction? Hans-Dicker reaction, also called the Brodin reaction or the Hans-Dicker's Brodin reaction, is a named reaction in organic chemistry whereby silver salt of carboxylic acid react with the halogen to produce an organic halide. It is an example of both decarboxylation and halogenation reaction, as the product has one fewer carbon atoms than starting material, which is lost as carbon dioxide and a halogen atom is introduced its place. And the reaction is in which the silver salt of carboxylic acid react with halogen and forms the organic halide in the presence of bromine and CCl4. So, what is its history? The reaction was first demonstrated by Alexander Borodin in his 1861 reports of the preparation of methyl bromide from silver acetate. Shortly after, the approach was applied to degradation of fatty acids in laboratory of Adolf Liebman. However, it is named for Claire Hunstaker and her husband Heinz Hunstaker, whose work in 1930s developed into a general method. Hunstaker reaction, named after Heinz Hunstaker, Claire Hunstaker, and Alexander Borodin, and this is the type of substitution reaction. Next, move towards its reaction mechanism. The reaction mechanism of Hunstaker reaction is believed to involve organic radical intermediates. In the first step, the silver salt of carboxylic acid will react with bromine and forms acyl hypohalite intermediate. In the second step, formation of diradical pair occurs, and in the third step, it allows for radical decarboxylation to form the diradical pair. And in the fourth step, the diradical pair, which will quickly recombine to form the desired organic halide. And in the first five step, desired organic halide formation. The trend in the yield of resulting halide is primary, then secondary, then tertiary. Which product is formed in Hunstaker reaction? Hunstaker reaction is a chemical reaction which involves the silver salts of carboxylic acid that react with halogens to create an unstable intermediate that further undergoes thermal decarboxylation, leading to formation of an alkyl halide, which is the final product in Hunstaker reaction. White tetrachloride is used in Hunstaker reaction. The Hunstaker reaction, also referred to as the Borodin reaction or Hunsticker's Borodin reaction, is an organic chemistry name reaction whereby carboxylic acid silver salts react to create an organic halide with halogen. CCl4 only serves as a solvent that is actually used for the reaction's smooth behavior. At the last, we talk about its applications. Applications of Hunstaker reactions are the decomposition of carboxylic acid salts of silver in combination with halogen source, which is bromine, into organic halide with one less carbon atom than original acids is generally known as Hunstaker reaction. It has been reported that the mercury, titanium, and lead salt of the carboxylic acid also undergoes a similar reaction. Many experimental results support a free radical mechanism for this reaction involving the decomposition of intermediate hypohalite, although the ionic pathways are also favored by some experimental evidence to address the moisture sensitivity and heat instability of silver salts. The original protocol has been modified. Besides this, several other modifications have also been discussed The reaction has been applied in the preparation of aliphatic halides. The Hunts-Dicker reaction is successfully applied to an alpha bromo acid to a beta bromo acid, then to substituted malonic acid to succinic acid, and in poor yield to tricarboxylic acid. That's all. Thank you.